Does DJI have a pocket-sized Osmo coming out this month that could threaten GoPro 7 Hero sales? Find out in the video coming up. So everyone out there knows DJI makes great stabilizers. If you have the Ronin S, it's a fantastic piece of equipment, but the one complaint is that it's so heavy. At 4.1 pounds, carrying that around gets kind of too cumbersome. And even the Osmo, it's really hard to travel with because you got to put it in that case. Nowadays, people want something they can just fit in their pocket, much like a GoPro or their cell phone. So DJI, always coming out with the latest and greatest technology, wants to stay ahead of the market, would likely come out with a pocket-sized Osmo. I talked about this in July and August when we didn't know the exact specs of the Mavic 2, and I thought the head of the Mavic 2 would be able to be taken off, much like the GoPro Karma, where you can take off the head and you can put it on a stabilizer, because people want a drone and then something to carry around. Now, Polar Pro makes something called a Katana, which looks like this. However, it's not really a true stabilizer, and it's not really something you can fit in your pocket, so to speak. So consumers want something that's really small. So someone with the Twitter name Osita LV, who lives in China, released a photo of a DJI Pocket Osmo that looks about 4 inches long. You can see the record button there. It also has a little wheel there. And if I had to guess, that wheel is gonna make the head of the Pocket Osmo go down and up. I also think you'll be able to zoom with that wheel as well. And if I had to guess, it probably won't be a focus wheel, but if it had that feature, that would be a nice added bonus. Right now, this is still speculation, but the rumor is that it could come out as soon as November 28th. So all you people out there who want to buy a GoPro Hero 7 for Black Friday, you may want to wait a week just to find out if this Pocket Osmo is even better. Now, I'm hoping that I can take the head of my Mavic 2 Pro and be able to take this off and put it on a Pocket Osmo. If there's a way that I can just take this off and put it on and it's swappable, that will be a really, really great feature for consumers. And while that head of that leak photo does look like a Hasselblad camera, it doesn't exactly look like the Mavic 2 Pro. So there's still a lot of questions to be answered. And yes, while you have these 6 screws that you have to undo to take off the head, it will also null and void your warranty. And if you have DJI Care Refresh, that could also be an issue there. So being able to swap this head isn't as easy and simple as it first appears. However, I am very excited about the idea of having a new Osmo that can fit in your hand, that's very small and easy to carry around, because that's what made the Mavic so popular. People like the Phantoms, but having a drone that's super portable like the Mavic 2, or even more so like the Mavic Air, is something that's very, very desirable. And DJI and other manufacturers realize this, so that's why I do think you will see the DJI Pocket Osmo come out before Christmas time. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I always try to give you the latest news on drones, photography, along with tips and reviews. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Also press that like button and add a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see on a Pocket Osmo. And that's all I got, guys. Remember, siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás.